I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So I have a new video for you, clearly. And today I'm using products that are new to me, not necessarily new to YouTube. So two of those products specifically being the Natasha Denona palette. Like this one is the Holiday Joya one palette. You need to stay tuned for this. And then I'm also using the, I just lost it. Oh my God. The Urban Decay Primer Potion in Caffeine. I have the original color, that's like the nudie one, but I wanted to try out this one because I've been liking the newer reformulated formula, or at least it feels reformulated to me since I've used it like years ago. And then I mentioned some other goodies too. So if you want to see how I created this look, if you want to see what I think about the Urban Decay Primer Potion, make sure you keep watching. And since you're here, you might as well subscribe. Can you talk, Quinn? Can you talk? Can you talk? Let's just try and talk today. Let's just try to be a normal person. No weird on camera. The first product I'm going to be playing with today this is all stuff that's just new to me. This isn't new to YouTube by any means. I am nowhere near famous enough to be dropping the heat before anybody else does. But this stuff is just new to me. So I'm gonna be using to prime my eyes, I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in, what color is this? In Caffeine. Okay, I wasn't sure if that's what I was seeing. Is this empty? Don't play me, okay. And this is the darkest color I could find, but that's okay though because I make my lids pretty bright anyways. Whoa, this looks crazy. How do you blend it out? Let's just try to dab it. And now I'm gonna bring you guys in closer so we can play with some eye makeup. Okay, currently that's as close as I can get you. I'm working on it. We got goals this year. One of the goals is to get a new camera that I can record on so I don't have to use my phone all the time. But I actually really like using my phone. But anyways, that's another story for a different day. Okay, so we're gonna start with the Morphe 3502 palette. I wanna do a pretty simple look today, but I wanted to have a big impact. I feel like I always say that, so let's really hope I stick to it. I wanna go for bright colors today though, so what are we working with? What are we working with? Let's see. Ooh, look at that pigment. I have not touched this color yet. You know what I should have done? I should have tried it with the primer and without the primer. Oh, this brush might be way too big for this. This is my 224 brush from MAC. That's okay. We're gonna take it out and we can bring it down if we need to. That is some pigment, Jesus. I want my eyes to stay pretty bright, but I want to have levels, right? Like I don't know if this is gonna make an impact. Let's just hope. I'm just so into reds. I just feel like warm tones are my life. Okay, in the zone, I'm just popping in this outermost corner. Really, I'm just using these colors to try to build the depth that I'm wanting, that I'm not seeing just yet, but I might be trying to fool myself. I'm not mad at that though. I feel like everything goes more pinky on me than red. So let's try and bump up this red. Let's now use fire. And this, I'm just gonna use it to blend the edges and bring some more red into my life. Really, this is just me playing with some new colors, playing with products that are new to me. Why not, right? What I do want to do is create some more depth in here. So let's go back to in the zone. I'm not trying to create a halo eye, but I am trying to create like more dimension. Okay, that's good enough. Let's go ahead and go back to heat and let's take it underneath my eyes as well. Okay, so let's go to in the zone Or, no, let's go to brunette, which is this one right here. I'm just gonna use that right underneath my lash line, just for some drama. And we're gonna kind of smoke it out and pull out this little tail right there. Now, I wanna jump into the pièce de résistance, the Natasha Denona. Just kidding. So I wanna go into the Natasha Denona Holiday Palette, and this is in Joya. I don't know, it's #1 Joya. And this palette, I've already swatched it on my Instagram. I heard a lot of good things about Natasha Denona, but I'd never actually tried her products before. And then I was at Sephora, I saw the palette, and I was like, oh, let me just swatch it. And I swatched it, and I was like, ooh, I love everything about this palette. So we're gonna be using this today. Like, look how pretty, like, oh my God, like, look at that. And that's, I obviously have like disturbed it because I've swatched it, but this color in the center is definitely going on my face at some point today. I'm thinking inner corner, and I think I wanna use probably this color or this color. I'm not gonna use so much of these today. I'm gonna use these middle three in some way, shape, or form today. I'm going to cut my lid like I normally would with my Pro Longwear concealer. I guess I could try the Urban Decay Primer Potion, but I just know I want the Pro Longwear concealer, so I'm just gonna do what comes naturally to me. This is fuchsia, no, red grape, gold. Okay, I think this one's supposed to be called fuchsia. We're gonna go into fuchsia, which is this one right here, if I'm reading it correctly. And if it's not fuchsia, it's red grape. There's only 5 colors. The pigment level on these, wow. Look at that. Okay, and then we're gonna go into red grape or fuchsia, whichever one it is. I'm just gonna kind of use that as a transition tone for right here. Just a little bit less of this one. This one I noticed is not as pigmented, it's more on the matte side. So this one's probably the one I'm gonna put in my crease. And I just flip the brush back and forth to get the blend that I want. Okay, and now we're gonna go into gold, okay? And I'm using the same brush I used to cut my lid. So I really wanna lay this down, pack it on, pack it. Oh boy, oh Lord. Oh God. Man, I wish I had my Lily lashes already. Lily. Miss Galici. I'm waiting. I could have even just left it like that. That's really pretty too. But this yellow. And then I do want to take some of that red grape color into my crease as well. So that's this one, just to remind everybody. And there's like no fallout with like anything I used today. This is A1, son. A1. Damn. That's so good. Okay, brows, liner, all the good stuff. I'm gonna just speed you on through that. I'll be back. You know when you're doing your brows and then at some point you go wrong and the next thing you know you look like that damn Angry Bird? Like, why are these so thick right now? Jesus, just fix it. Can we just take a moment of silence for how perfect this look turned out? Like, I have never had a vision in my mind come to life so perfectly. Like, holy cow. Like, this is exactly what I wanted. Now let me just dust this shit off my face. I feel so pretty. Like, I haven't felt this pretty in a long time. Like, I feel so pretty. which sounds so like conceited, but I can't lie, I feel so pretty. Holy cow. Like, what? I need to finish up this look. I need to finish up this look so we can wrap this up. Let's do that. Okay, friends, so there you have it. This is the completed look. This is probably one of my favorite looks to date. Like, this is so pretty to me. Like, I am just in awe of myself. I'm like, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Okay, but really though, I really am. I just love this. Like, my hair looks good, even though it's fucking with me right now. My lips look good. My eyes look good. Like, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will list everything that I used in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. If you love this look, if you want to see more looks using the Natasha Denona palette, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you all later. Bye, friends.